Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about online course creation and why you need a page builder. Coming up. Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to be talking about online course creation, and also please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and also clicking on the bell notification. By doing that, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials, and it also helps these videos get seen on YouTube. All right. So what we're going to be talking about is why you need a page builder. Now, a page builder is very, very important because it makes it very easy to brand your website. Now, what I mean by that is you're able to go in, change colors, structure your website the way you want to structure it, and this will give you a fantastic looking website. So I want to go in now and pretty much show you the page builder that I use. In fact, the page builder is called Divi. So if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I also give you a course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. The name of the course is called Web Design Formula. So all you have to do is to buy it using my affiliate link, and I'll give you access to the course. And also, if you buy LearnDash, you get a full course that teaches you how to set up your online course websites using LearnDash. All right, so let's dive in and let's cover why you need a page builder for your online course websites. All right, so what I'm going to do now is pretty much take a look at this landing page that I created for my site. In fact, I've demoed this website before, showing you how to create this. And all this can be achieved using a page builder. All right, so number one, the reason why you need a page builder is because you want to be able to go in and customize your website. So in this case, let's say you go all the way down here to Divi and click on Theme Builder. Okay, so over here on the theme builder, you can go in and specifically customize areas of your website that are to do with your learning management system. In this case, LearnDash. So let's say I create a brand new template here. So if I click on this plus button, I can go all the way down here and look for, let's say, lessons, and I can also customize quizzes and so on, topics. So I can go in here and create specific pages for my lessons, archive pages, and so on. So let's say I want to create a layout for my lessons or a template for my lessons. I would just come over here, select this, create template, and whatever now I design here will apply pretty much throughout all my lessons on my website. And this is done just by a click of a button. So once you design this and you say save, it applies pretty much across all your lessons on your website. So this is why this is very, very powerful. And let's say you're at a stage where you don't want it anymore. You can just come over here and delete it, and the template goes, and pretty much all those changes that are done across all your templates will be gone. Now, the other reason is, as I mentioned earlier on, which is customizing your website. Now, if you take a look here at this landing page, now this is the landing page I created in a lesson or in a tutorial before. Now, all these elements that we use here are or can be found in the page builder. So let me just click on here on enable so you can see how we can add and customize this. So over here now, I've activated the theme builder, in this case, which is Divi. All right, so I'm just going to go through and just show you most of the things that we can customize on this landing page. So let's say, for example, we want to customize this. I can click here on this gear icon to enter my full width header settings, click on design, and let's say I want to perhaps maybe work on my first button here, which is button 1. I can either click here on this little brush tool. It takes me straight to my settings, and over here now I can go in and customize my border width. I can add my border radius. So you can see here, as I'm adding my border radius, I'm changing the style of the button just by doing that. So this is a really, really powerful, and I really like the fact that I can go in and make a lot of customizations. Now, let's say I need to work on my background here and change my color. I can just always come here, click here on this tab here for the gradient, and perhaps maybe I want to change my color here to black, and you can see there I've really changed my color, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Save. Now, this is not the only part you can go in and customize. You can also come over here and pretty much, add new elements to your page, customize it, and, do all sorts of stuff. So let's say you're starting from scratch, because in this case, I have this page already created. So if I was starting from scratch, I would just come over here and click on add new page. And I'm going to show you a quick tip here that can get you up and running really fast. So let's say this is my landing page about, let's say knitting. I can click here on use Divi Builder. And instead of designing my page from scratch, I can use a pre-made layout. Now, to choose a pre-made layout, all I have to do is come over here to choose pre-made layout. And we have a ton of layouts here in this library. Now, as you can see, it may seem like these are specific to the industry. However, I'm going to discuss a trick which is really, really cool here. You don't necessarily have to use these for that particular industry. So let's say, for example, we have this restaurant here. Now, I'm going extreme. I'm going to choose restaurant, and then I'm going to use this layout. Now, you're going to see in a moment that I'm going to transform this pre-made layout here into pretty much any type of website we need. So here, we're going to just recreate or replace the contents of this page with the layout that I need to create. All right, so I have everything all loaded up now. So what I can do now is to go in and pretty much find areas where I can go in and change. So here where it says only quality food, we can say discover knitting. There we go. So here you can also go in and change the text over here. We can also change the buttons. So here it says reservation. You can say start learning, for example. Oops. Let's go to, okay, so here's our button 1 and button 2. So instead of saying reservation, we can say start learning. And if we don't need the other button here, we can get rid of it. Also, this one here could be maybe memberships, if you do have any memberships on your website. And then the other one is start learning. Okay. So I know we've done, a few changes here. So let's say you want to go in now to your background and change the image. All you have to do is to come over here to the background. Now notice here we have this these different tabs. So the third one here is the tab for your images. So if I click here, I can then go into my media library here and choose an image that I want. So let's say this is about cooking. I can just choose that, click upload image. And there we go. Just like that, we have now a page which has a cooking image. In fact, we may need to change here from knitting to cooking. There we go. All right, discover cooking. And this is where your description would go. Now, if I save this, that means my main area here has been done. I can then move on and start working on the other areas here. So you can go in, change the text. Now you can also do what is known as inline editing. So I can go in here and just start typing here. And let's say this is my new heading. So I know if you've used, let's say, Word, this is pretty much similar because you can just go in here and start making changes to this. And you can also go in here and highlight this, and you can make it bold. You can make it italics. You can also, let's say, underline it just to make it look a bit different. Okay, so you can do quite a few things here with inline editing. But if you want to go in and make further customizations into like these particular modules, all you have to do is to click here on this gear icon, and this takes you now to your content. But what we need here is the design. So here on the design, you can go in and change. In fact, I don't know what happened there. Let's go back in. So over here in the design, I can go in and play around with my text. So I can change my text color here. Let's say we're going to go a bit more dark gray. You can see here my color is changing. So this is where you would change all your colors. And as I mentioned before, with your images, you can always come over here and change your image easily by clicking this gear icon and then going in here and choosing your specific image. So let's say in this case, I want to use, let's have a look. What other images do we have? Looks like we don't have quite a lot of images, but anyway, let's go with this one here. Upload. And there we go. We have our image. So pretty much that's how you would add all your images and how you would add all your content. But the most important thing here is, as you can see, this page here started off with a totally different image background. But now I've gone in and I've just changed the text, changed the buttons, and I've also changed the main background image. So the background image here gives us an idea of what the course is about. So this is why it's important to go in and change this. So this makes it very easy to go in and customize your pages. Now, Is this the only page we can customize? Absolutely not. So if you have any other pages, like let's say you have a membership page, you can go in, customize your membership page, make it look the way you want. You can also have maybe a page for your users when they log in. I call it a dashboard. So you can go in and customize those dashboard pages. You can also customize your course landing pages as well. And so you can do quite a lot. And as you can see here, we have very powerful tools that enable us to customize our website and make it look the way we want. So this is the main reason why I would use a page builder to customize my website and build my online course website. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments box below and I'll do my best to respond to those questions. I also have supporting courses that help you create your online course websites. So if you buy LearnDash using my affiliate link, you get access to my LearnDash course. And also I know Divi here can be overwhelming, but if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, the course that I give you as a bonus will help you get up and running really fast and teach you how to use it and also build amazing looking websites. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Take care. Bye-bye.